Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here I'm making a video to show a 3-ton per day capacity flake ice machine. This is the machine. This machine can make 3 tons of ice flakes within every 24 hours. And that capacity is based on 30 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, 20 degrees Celsius inlet water temperature. This machine is equipped with one Danfoss screw compressor, air cooling condenser, and the air cooling condenser is equipped with 1, 2, 3, 4 air cooling fans. The 4 air cooling fans keeps working together in hot summer. When the ambient temperature goes down, 1 or 2 or 3 fans automatically off themselves. So this machine is specifically to work stably in both hot summer and cold winter. And this is the video to show my 3-ton per day capacity flake ice machine working with the ice storage beam together. Let me open the door of the ice storage beam so we can check the inside. Okay. Ice flakes automatically fall into the ice storage beam and be kept inside. The ice storage beam is heat insulated and the ice flakes can be kept inside without melting for 1 to 3 days. This ice storage beam's capacity is 500 kilograms of ice flakes. So it takes 4 hours for the machine to fill this ice storage beam. We also have an ice storage beam with a bigger capacity, and the maximum storage capacity is 1 ton of ice. In that case, this machine will take 8 hours to fill that kind of ice storage beam. Ice flakes are very dry with good cooling power. Very well frozen ice flakes. Okay, so this is all I want to show about my 3-ton per day capacity flake ice machine.